Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change lock screen clock in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to change your lock screen clock, font, color or size or style, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for wallpaper and style. Tap on it, then select your lock screen here, and here just tap on your clock. Once you have, you will get different fonts, colors, or here's the bold or thin customizer. You can easily customize your thickness of your clock. Here's just tap on style, and you will get different styles of your clock. You can easily select which one you want to set as your own clock, and I'm going to select default from here. And here's some change some font. Here's I'm going to select this one. Just select the font and then select color from here. So that's how you can easily change your lock screen clock in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.